Hey guys, how are you? I'm good. So I'm back on YouTube for a very special reason. I got an iPhone 13. I haven't filmed in a while. I am sorry, but I'm very excited to be here again to unbox my new iPhone 13. Yesterday was the launch and I was able to pre-order and pick it up yesterday. So yeah, if you are curious about the iPhone 13 Pro Max and want to see me unbox it, keep watching. Otherwise, let's go. Okay, so like as I've shown you guys, this is the box. It is much smaller. I got my iPhone 11 Pro. Oh, right here. Oh no, this is the 6S Plus. Okay, 6S Plus. Like this is the box. So it's, you know, a little bit smaller. This doesn't come with a charging brick. Just the wire and the phone itself. As usual, very expensive feeling cardboard, very smooth. I don't know if you can see a detail here, but like the outline of this feels like you see that. It's like reflective. So even like the rings here, it mimics like, it feels like a 3D photo. And it's also like erased over here. So as you can see too, you guys, I got the new color, Sierra. Sorry, you can't really see in this. It's a lot of light. It's getting blown out. Again, this is the Pro Max, you guys. Wait, I'm not in the shot. This is the Pro Max, you guys. I got the 256 gigabyte storage. Also, it doesn't have a plastic this time, which is great for me. I'm trying to reduce my waste. Also, don't really care that it doesn't come with a brick because I have charging bricks. And then also, this is how you open it. So I guess we can just start opening it. You can see that. If you've had Apple products before, this is a very common way that they seal their products. I just think it's very curious that they were able to do this without like a plastic thingy. So without further ado, sorry, I keep being off camera. With further ado, let's rip this open. Is that like ASMR? I'm not really sure. Alright, so let's open. Okay, I'm really scared. Because if I open it like this, it's gonna plop down. Okay, maybe I'll do this. You guys, I can see it. This is what my view is right now. Alright, you guys, B-shot moment. So this is the phone. Again, this is the Sierra blue color, the new color for this year. Honestly, I have a difficult time choosing a color because I don't really care about any of them. Last time I got the 11 Pro, I regretted not getting. I forgot. Actually, maybe I don't regret it that much because I don't remember the color for that year. Maybe the green. Yeah, the green one. I just got a gold, which looks like beige. Anyway, sorry, I digress. So this year, I just got the color that was new this year, and it's really beautiful. It's like a steel gray blue. So you can kind of see the different shades that it can read as. But this is the color I can see right now. Hopefully it's picking it up. Anyway, there's a little tabby here. I guess let's like lift it. Oh my gosh. You guys, this doesn't, oh, look at that. See, they even stopped using plastic. This is paper. Actually, this might be plastic still. Yeah, that's still plastic. Sorry. Previous phones, it was like a plastic, clear plastic. You just lift it. As you can see here, they have little symbols of the buttons that come with it. So there's just 4 buttons. This is the side. Yeah, so it's, I believe this is like steel or whatever. I'm coming from, let me grab this. Actually, I'm gonna go back to the regular shot A. Okay, we are back. Okay, so yeah, so this is the iPhone 13. And this is my 11 Pro Max from 2 years ago. Love this phone, by the way, you guys, but I just wanted to show you a comparison of the two because, oh my god, you guys, this is so cute. You know, I gotta say, like, when I got this and when I got this, I wasn't as excited. Like, if you saw my review for this, all I cared about was, like the reasons I got it was for very, very, like, not exciting reasons, like camera, and like the camera is so much better. This was a big jump. And then the battery. Those are not sexy features, those are just like, you know what I mean? And it's for the same reason for this too. So it's honestly like when I picked this up and when I picked this up, it was just kind of like, yeah, I'm getting a new phone with a better battery life, and the camera's fantastic. And this is new video features in it. But when you open this product, like you guys, it's the whole thing. I mean, the fact that I'm even doing a video for this and like this is a thing on YouTube is because it's such beautiful presentation. It's like a ritual. And I want to share that like ceremony with you. Okay, I'm getting just like waxing poetic, sorry. But yeah, so I was just having a moment. Let's just peel this open. And yeah, you guys. The notch is smaller, but you can't really see it. But you can watch and look it up online that it is smaller. Don't really care about the notch, kind of goes away for me. In terms of the rest, sorry, I keep forgetting this unboxing. In terms of the rest of the box, this is what it looks like. Let me just, there we go. So this is, like I said, the rest of the box and what it looks like. So just another one of these, what do you call this? I don't know what it's called. A wire, a lightning bolt cord, lightning cord. And then designed by Apple. There should be stickers here. I would love if these are blue stickers. Nope, it's not. They're white. They're white? Yeah, they're white. And then, this is not interesting. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not gonna read that. And then also for your SIM card, micro SIM card. Designed by Apple. Designed by Apple. Designed by Apple. And then this is what the rest of the box looks like. It has the recycling sign on it. So as somebody who's very trying to be environmentally friendly, glad that there is much less plastic in this. But yeah, you guys, so that's the new iPhone 13. Very glad we could have done this together and share this experience unboxing it together. Again. I'm sure I'll do another one when I get the iPhone 15, I guess, or whatever they call it. Yeah, happy to be back. Because I have this now, you guys. I'm gonna film more, so keep an eye out. I will be putting out more YouTube content. I think I'm back. I'm gonna say that and leave this here so you guys can hold me up to it. Do you guys want like a review video? There's a lot out there. I don't know if you care about what I think about this. Let me know, comment. Also, if you want me to make more videos, comment below like, JR, make more videos. You have an iPhone 13, use it for good. Give us the content. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. Happy to be back. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, also make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I have to say that. Okay, bye for real.